Hey everyone, welcome to ITeePK. Today we have a big alert. Google just patched another Chrome 0 day that's being actively exploited. I will explain what the 0 day is, which browsers are affected, and I will show you exactly how to check and update Google Chrome Microsoft Edge step by step. So make sure you have like and subscribe ITeePK and let's get started. Now let's see what 0 day is. A 0 day vulnerability is a security bug that attackers are already exploiting before the vendor had any day to fix it. That's why it is called 0 day. 0 day means attackers can compromise system immediately unless a patch is applied. Now, what happened is on September 17, 2025, Google pushed an emergency Chrome based update to fix CVE 2025 10585. This is the type of confusion bug in Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine that's being exploited in a wild. Because V8 is the JavaScript engine used by Chromium based browser, attackers could run a code by simply getting you to open a malicious page. Google released stable channel build 1400739.185.186 to fix it. So now let's talk about which browsers are affected. This VX bug affects Chromium-based browser, Google Chrome, and other Chromium forks such as Microsoft Edge, Opera, and Brave. Because they share the same V8 engine, Firefox uses a different engine and is not vulnerable to V8 issues. But Firefox releases its own fixes for separate vulnerabilities, so keep it updated too. Now first let's go ahead and verify and check Google Chrome. Just open up a Google Chrome and go to the URL Chrome setting help. On this URL you will see about Google Chrome. Under about Google Chrome you can see that my Google Chrome is not paged to the latest version, that is 14007339185 or higher. So I am updating my Google Chrome and this will get updated to 1400739.186. That will be higher from 185. Once Google Chrome gets updated, just go ahead relaunch your Google Chrome browser to get to the latest page that is saved from this 0 day exploit issue. Now let's see Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is also a Chromium based, so Microsoft will roll the Chromium fix into Edge. Go to the URL Edge settings help in Microsoft Edge. If there is any update available, just go ahead, install update, relaunch your Edge browser, and if your Edge version is up to date, you have the Chromium fix. Firefox uses a different engine, so this weird bug doesn't affect it. But Mozilla released fixes for unrelated high severity issues. Always do help about Firefox to check for updates and relaunch. Okay, so that's done for today. If you found this video helpful, just smash the like button, subscribe for daily IT security tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss an urgent page alerts. The link I have used in the video, I will add them in the video descriptions. You can verify your browsers yourself. So stay safe. Thanks for watching ITPK. See you in the next one.